All right, I need some help writing this paper. Tutoring options. Writing and Reading Center. Never heard of it. Let's check it out. All right. Here we go. Let's take a look.
Welcome to the Writing and Reading Center. Is this your first time here?
Yeah.
Welcome. We're glad you're here. First, let me tell you about our services and how this all works. We're able to help you with any of your writing and reading needs. So whether you're just trying to figure out how to start your paper, or you're totally done, or you're somewhere in the middle, we can help you. We can help you brainstorm, organize, and work on formatting. But before I go any further, let's meet some of our team.
Hi, my name's Luis, and I'm an English tutor.
Hello, my name is Vrat Tan. I'm an engineering major, and I am also a writing tutor here.
My name is Dong Yan, and I'm currently a psychology major.
Hi, I'm Jess, and I am an English major.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shushanik Silvas, and I'm the coordinator of the Writing and Reading Center.
As you can see here, we are open during these times. If you're not sure if you will need help, but want to be able to access us easily, you can come in and just hang out in the room until you need help. Or if you want to meet with your classmates, you can do that here as well. Just inform the staff in the beginning. We are setting up a Zoom room called the WRC Lounge.
Tutoring is a great way to raise your grades and to learn how to be a better learner. Here we want to instill independent learning, meaning we want to set you up for the future to succeed.
We also help with research, drafting, proofreading, basic computer skills, and additionally, we're also a free service, so that's pretty awesome.
So, Jeremiah, would you like to start your session now?
Yeah, sounds great.